Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a deliciously competitive story from the fast food world. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about Burger King and their strategic chess moves against McDonald's. Let's get into it. So what's cooking? Burger King, not wanting to lag behind in the fast food wars, has just sped up the launch of their new $5 value meal. It's a move that's all about staying one step ahead of McDonald's. This value meal isn't just any deal, it's packed with a Whopper Jr., some crispy fries, a drink, and even a chocolate chip cookie to sweeten the deal. I mean, who can resist that? Now why the rush? Well, it's all about timing and tactics. Burger King's got wind of McDonald's planning something similar and decided to beat them to the punch. They're not just responding to competition, they're trying to redefine the game by providing more bang for your buck and doing it faster. This isn't just about selling more burgers, it's a clear signal that Burger King is pushing hard to dominate the value meal space. And let's be real, in a market where everyone's counting their pennies, this could be a game changer. Industry insiders are already buzzing about how this could shake things up. Other chains might follow suit, leading to a whole new wave of value deals. It's like an arms race, but with burgers and fries, which, let's be honest, is way tastier. The response from customers, it's been huge. People are loving the combination of affordability and taste. It's a win-win, really. Great for the wallet, great for the taste buds. But hey, what does this mean for the future? Burger King seems to be on a roll, planning to keep the surprises coming. It's not just about one-upping McDonald's this time, it's about setting a new standard for value. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more juicy stories from the fast food front lines and beyond. Until next time, keep feasting, my friends.